Good morning, students. Today also again we are going to verify whether the given vector is in vector or not, or we will find in vector. Okay, let's come on. In the last class we did already three problems we did. Now fourth problem. Come on, copy the question. If A equal to A equal to 10 minus 9 4 minus 2. If A equal to 10 minus 9 4 minus 2 and lambda is equal to 4, lambda equal to 4 is an eigenvalue of A, is an eigenvalue of A, is an eigenvalue of A. Find eigenvector, find eigenvector, find eigenvector corresponding to, find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 4. Come on, copy it. If A equal to 10 minus 9 4 minus 2, 10 minus 9 4 minus 2 and lambda equal to 4, lambda equal to 4 is an eigenvalue of A, is an eigenvalue of A. Find eigenvector, find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 4. Find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 4. Yes. Solution. First slide. What is given? Given A equal to, given A equal to and lambda equal to 4. Solution. Given A equal to and lambda is equal to 4. Alright. We know that here we have to find eigenvector, we have to find x bar. In the last class already we discussed it. The same process will continue. Come on, right. We know that Ax bar equal to lambda x bar implies Ax bar minus lambda x bar equal to 0 bar implies A minus lambda I times of x bar equal to 0 bar. Ax bar equal to lambda x bar, Ax bar minus lambda x bar is equal to 0 bar, A minus lambda x bar equal to 0 bar. Already we know the value of lambda, lambda equal to 4 already we have. Come on, substitute the value. A minus 4 lambda x bar equal to 0 bar. Come on, substitute the values. Already we have A, matrix A. Come on, write the matrix. 10 minus 9 4 minus 2. 10 minus 9 4 minus 2 minus 4 times of this is 4I minus 4 times of identity matrix 1 0 0 1 x bar equal to 0 matrix 0 0, 0. Come on, simplify it. 10 minus 4, 6 minus 9, because minus 9 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 4, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6. X bar, x1, x2 equal to 0, 0. Yes. Ones are expensive ones. A minus lambda I, lambda value is 4. A minus 4i, x bar equal to 0 bar. A matrix A wrote, already we have matrix A. 10 minus 9, 4 minus 2. 10 minus 9, 4 minus 2. Minus 4 times anti-matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 0, 0. Because here 2 by 2 is there. Here also 2 by 2 matrix. If it is 3 by 3, here we have to 3 by 3 matrix. We have to write x bar. Come on, 2 matrices we have to subtraction. Corresponding entries we have to subtract it. 2 matrices subtraction of the corresponding entries. Here 10 minus 4 into 1 minus 4. 10 minus 4 6. Second element minus 9 minus 4 into 0. 0 1 is simply minus 9. Here second row first element 4 minus 4 times of 0. 0. So 4 minus 0, 4. Minus 2, minus 4 times of 1, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. That's all. Stop it. Now I'll simplify this one. Come on, simplify it. In order to simplify it, before that, I have to simplify it. I'll make this position as 0. I'll make this position as 0. Before that, what are the means? I'll do divided by 2. Divided by 2 for second row. R2 implies R2 by 2. R2 implies R2 by 2. Now I think it's more clear for you. R2 implies R2 by 2. First row as is 6 minus 9. Second row 2 minus 3 times x1 x2 equal to 0, 0. And now this position we have to make it 0. So alright, R2 implies 3R2, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 6, 3R2 minus R1. R2 implies R2, 3R2 minus R1. Come on, solve it. Implies first row as is 6 minus 9. Second row 2 times 6, 6 minus 6, 0. And again here 3 times. Minus 9 plus 9, 0. Same as previous matrix will become 6 minus 9, 0, 0. x1, x2 equal to 0. x1, x2 equal to 0, 0. First row still I can reduce it, I can simplify it. Still I can reduce it. R1 implies R1 by 3. 3 table. R1 implies R1 by 3. Come on, simplify. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9. 0, 0. x1, x2 equal to 0, 2 minus 3, x1, x2, 0, 0. Now come write the equation. 2x1 minus 3x2 equal to 0. We have one equation of two variables. Copy it. We have one equation of two variables. Yes, I'll give 1 minute time. Just copy it fast. So ones are expensive ones. is given, A already is given, lambda equal to 4, A minus lambda I x bar equal to 0, A minus lambda I x bar equal to 0, lambda value is 4, I simplified it and solved by echelon form so that I got single equation I got of two variables. Now continue. Go write the equation. What is the equation we have? 2x1. Are you able to see? Yes, okay. 2x1 minus 3x2 equal to 0. We have only one equation here, so we have to assume one of the variable as k. Come on. Let x1 equal to k. x1 equal to k. That's all. x1 or x2 is your wish, no problem. You can assume either x1 is equal to k or x2 is equal to k according to your convenience. Here I consider x1 is equal to k. Previous problem I considered x2 is equal to k. So x1, x2 is our wish. We can consider one of the x1 or x2 value as k. Here I consider x1 equal to k. I consider implies what substitute here 2k minus 3x2 is equal to 0. 3x2 is equal to 2k. x2 equal to 2k by 3. x2 is equal to 2k by 3. We have to find in vector. We have to find in vector, nothing but x bar. In vector x bar equal to x1, x2. In vector x bar equal to x1, x2. X bar equal to x1, x2. Come write the x1 value here. What is x1 value? K. x2 value 2k over 3. 2k over 3. x1 value k. x2 value 2k by 3. You can take k common. So simply getting 1, 2 over 3. Yes. Now take common 3 also. 3k. Simply getting 3. Taking 3 common. So 3. Sorry. I am not taking 3 common. I am taking 3. Sorry. K by 3 I am taking. Divided by 3 I am taking. Divided by 3. So you will get 3 and get. Here you get 2. If any doubt is there, once multiply it. K by 3 into 3. 3 cancel. You get k only. K into 1 k. K by 3 into 2. 2k by 3. Correct. So in vector is x bar is 3, 2. Therefore, x bar is equal to 3, 2 is the in vector. Therefore, x bar is equal to 3, 2 is the in vector. One copy. Same as previous problem only. Same as previous problem. Therefore, x bar is equal to 3, 2 is the in vector. Stop it. Yes, the problem is over. If you want still to verify means you can verify it also. I will do verification. Okay, come on. Verification. We got in vector. We'll check it whether it is correct or wrong. What is the condition? Come on, consider a x bar equal to a x bar. Already we have matrix A. Already we have in the question. 10 minus 9, 4 minus 2. 10 minus 9, 4 minus 2. X bar. Now we got x bar. What is x bar we got? 3, 2 we got. How like 3, 2. 3. Matrix A. 10 minus 9, 4 minus 2. x bar 3 2. Normally we did in vector we calculated 3 2. Come on, simplify it. 10 times 3, 10 3 is 13, 9 is 18, 3 4 is 12, minus 4. 13 minus 18, 12, 12 minus 4, 8. I can take 4, I can take common. 4 times of 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8. Ax bar equal to lambda 4 x bar. But same one. Ax bar equal to lambda r value already we know 4. X bar is 3. So we got Ax bar equal to lambda x bar satisfied. Ax bar equal to lambda x bar satisfied. So the vector which we got is correct. The vector which we got is correct. In vector is correct. That's all. We can verify like this also, because we know that in vector nothing but Ax bar equal to lambda x bar. This x bar is known as in vector. So A matrix already is there in the question. Now we calculate vector x bar. I simplify simple and getting lambda x bar I got. Lambda x bar. In the question already we have lambda value. Lambda value is 4. X bar is correct. 3 2 1. So it is satisfied. So the vector which we find is correct. That's all. Copy it. Yes. Now continue. Theorem. Come write the statement. Come write theorem. The eigenvalues the eigenvalues of A eigenvalues of A the eigenvalues of a triangular matrix, eigenvalues of a triangular matrix are the entries are the entries on its main diagonal element, on its main diagonal element, on its main diagonal elements. So what is the statement? The eigenvalues of a triangular matrix are the entries on its main diagonal elements. Come write the solution. Solution or proof. Let the matrix be. Let the matrix be A equal A. Let the matrix be A equal A11, A12, A13, A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. Correct? I consider one of the triangular matrix. Complete. Let the matrix be A equal to A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. To draw the diagonal line like this. This three elements are 0, 1 we have. So simply we have to prove. eigenvalues, lambda values are lambda is equal to a11, a22 and a33. That we have to prove. We have to prove lambda values as diagonal elements. We have to prove lambda values as diagonal elements. Nothing but a11, a22, a33 are the lambda values. Come on, continue. Let us consider a minus lambda x bar is equal to 0 bar. 0 element. Alright. Let us consider a minus lambda I x bar equal to 0 bar implies a minus lambda I x bar is equal to 0 bar. Come on, right? A already got over a11, a12, a13, 0, a22, a23, 0, 0, a33 minus lambda I identity matrix of 3 by 3. So simply we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 3 by 3 matrix. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We multiply with lambda, so we get simply lambda 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. That's all of x bar equal to 0 bar of x bar equal to 0 bar. Come on, simplify it. a11 minus lambda, a12 minus 0, a12 again a13 here 0, a22 minus lambda, a22 minus lambda again a23 minus 0 nothing but a23 0 0 a33 minus lambda of x bar already we know column vector, 3 rows are there, so we can introduce 3 variables. So x bar is x1 x2 x3. X bar is x1 x2 x3 and 0 bar is 0 vertical vector 0 0 and the column vector 0 0 0. Let's come and copy it. So we consider a minus lambda I equal to 0 bar. A means matrix A, triangular matrix. I wrote triangular matrix here. Triangular matrix minus lambda times of identity column, identity matrix. Identity of 3 by 3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. I multiply with lambda of x bar equal to 0 bar. I did subtraction of two matrices. Corresponding entries I have subtracted. I did subtraction. X bar. 3 rows are there, obviously 3 variables will be there. x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Yes. Already we have echelon form. So directly I can write the equations. How many equations will get? 3 equations will get it. Come on. Copy it first. Yes. Now I'll write 3 equations. First equation. a11 minus lambda a11 minus lambda into x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 equal to 0 bar. Equation number 1 equal to x bar. Equation number 1. Number 2, second equation. Now look at second row. a22 minus lambda x2 a22 minus lambda x2 plus a23 x3 equal to 0 bar. Equation number 2. Next, third one, third row. 0 into x1 0, 0 into x2 0, and last one we have a33 minus lambda is equal to a33 minus lambda x3 equal to 0 bar. Equation number 3. Solving these three equations, we have to find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values. Solving these three equations, we have to find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values. Come on, first equation number 3. A33 minus lambda times of x3 is equal to 0 bar. A33 minus lambda x3 is equal to 0 bar. That is A33 minus lambda is equal to 0 or x3 is equal to 0. x3 cannot become 0 because we are considering a non-zero vector. We are considering a non-zero vector. Come on. Or you can say the trivial solution. Okay. Now I want lambda value implies lambda is equal to A3. One vector we got. Lambda is equal to A33. So A33 minus lambda is equal to 0 or x3 is equal to 0. So simply we getting lambda is equal to A33. Now I will go for equation number 2. Equation number 2. What is equation number 2, Simons? A22 minus lambda x2 plus A23 x3. Now what you got? X3 is already value. What is x3 value? 0. Substitute x3 equal to 0. Simply the whole value becomes 0. So simply A22 minus lambda to x2 is equal to 0. A22 minus lambda to x2. A23 x3. Now we have x3 value is 0. So 0. So simply how? A22 minus lambda to x2 is equal to 0. Implies A22 minus lambda is equal to 0 or x2 is equal to 0. Alright. Implies A22 minus lambda is equal to 0 or x2 is equal to 0. I want lambda 2 now, so I can say lambda 2 value. I can say lambda 1 will not add lambda 2 lambda. So what is the lambda value? A22. Lambda value is A22. Two values we got for lambda. Lambda value is A22. At the same time we got x2 value also we got. What is x2 value? 0. x2 value is 0. So equation number 3 we solve. We got lambda value A33. Equation number 2 we solve. We got lambda value A22 we got. And I have one more. Equation number 1. Come on. First copy up to here. Now I will solve equation number 3. 1 here only I will solve it. So come on, copy it first. Just okay. Yes. So lambda equal to A33, lambda is equal to A22 we got. Now I will solve equation number 1 here only I will solve it. Therefore, equation 1 implies, come on, right? A11 minus lambda times x1. Already we have x2 value 0, so 0 will get x3 value 0, so equal to 0. Therefore, A11 minus lambda x1 equal to 0. A11 minus lambda x1 equal to 0 implies A11 minus lambda equal to 0 or x1 equal to 0. So I want lambda value, so I can say lambda is equal to A11. So IN values, 3 IN values you got, come right. Therefore, lambda is equal to A11 comma A22 comma A33 are IN values. Are eigenvalues of a triangular matrix A11, A22, A33 are the eigenvalues of a triangular matrix. Lambda is A11, A22, A33 are the eigenvalues of a triangular matrix, which are the diagonal elements. Which are the diagonal elements of A. That one we have to prove it. Already is given A is triangular matrix. We have to prove the eigenvectors. The eigenvalues are diagonal elements. What are diagonal elements we have? A11 diagonal elements we have A11, A22, A33 we have on the diagonal line. So that one we got. Therefore, lambda is equal to A11, A22, A33 are the eigenvalues of triangular matrix A. That's all. This theorem is over. So we proved the theorem. The eigenvalues of a triangular matrix are the entries of the diagonal element. Hence proved. That's enough for today. Again tomorrow will continue. Thank you.